In this lesson we're going to look at differential equations. Now it says here equations like this one here, dy by x equals x squared plus 5, are called differential equations. What we're saying is the derivative is equal to x squared plus 5. They're usually solved by integration because we want to really get back to the original equation y equals. So we integrate this to get back to y equals. The thing we have to work out is also the constant of integration. We don't know what this is, therefore we usually require some additional information in the form of a coordinate or an x and y value. So let's look at the first example. Find the solutions of these differential equations. I'm going to do two in this lesson. So ds by dt equals 6t squared. And I'm also told that s is equal to 27 when t is equal to 3. So this is enough information to work out my constant when I integrate. So I'm trying to work out s because it's s ds by dt. So s is what I'm going to gain when I integrate here. So s is equal to the integral of 6t squared dt. Notice there's no limits in this question. We're not calculating any areas. This is an indefinite integral. So we don't need to do any square brackets and put limits in. So integrate this, add 1 to the power, it should become a 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's going to be 2t cubed plus c. I'm nearly done at this point, I just need to work out the value of c. So this is where these values come in. I'm told that when t is 3, s is 27, so sub them in. 27 is equal to 2 times 3 cubed plus c. We'll set up an equation with one unknown, we can always solve that. So 3 cubed is 27, double it you get 54. So 54 add what is 27? It must be negative 27. So finish it off with the equation s equals 2t cubed minus 27. Next example, the gradient of a tangent to a curve is given by dy by dx equals 4x plus 7. If the curve passes through the point 1, 4, then find the equation of the curve. So we're given the derivative, we have to get back to y equals, in this case. This is the letter here. That's the start of the function. So we have to integrate, so y equals the integral of 4x plus 7 with respect to x. This is the power 1 here, really, so add 1 to the power and divide, so that's going to be 2x squared plus 7x plus c. Again, we're given a coordinate here, so that's the x value, and 4 is the y value. So when x is 1, y is 4. Sub them in. 4 is equal to 2 times 1 squared plus 7 times 1 plus c. So 4 is equal to 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. And add on the 7 you get 9. C therefore is negative 5. So to finish it off, y is equal to 2x squared plus 7x, take away 5.